Hi, this is Vahi Vijay Simha once again in the YouTube. Today I am going to explain one of the emerging technology and monitoring tool called Docker. This tool is a monitoring tool of ServiceNow emerging technology. So before going to the Docker monitoring tool, here I want to ask you few questions about it. Why there is a need for monitoring the application and why there is a need for container programming and why technical people and software people are running across the information and data monitoring. For all above questions, here are the answers. So in order to give you the answers for above questions, so there is a technology called Docker monitoring tool. So Docker monitoring tool is nothing but this is a ServiceNow technology monitoring tool. In the real-time scenarios and in the technical terminology, Docker monitoring tool is used to monitor the application by container container wise with the help of logical layers and also with the help of platform Linux, Unix. Here Linux plays vital role in order to give the performance of the application. So coming into the session Docker is nothing but, as I told above, it's a ServiceNow technology. It's a monitoring tool used for installation of all programming development as well as application development, performance development. So Docker setup contains a monitoring tool and it is a dashboard. It contains all critical application codes and application performance in the hypothetical order. So it is going to give the end user, a client, a good quality software. So this is the main important of Docker monitoring tool. So here end users are benefited. So end users will get a final product, a well polished performance product. For example, in real time scenarios, Docker is using Docker or Dockers are implemented by the companies like Google, Facebook, Netflix, Salesforce. These are the companies above I told. These companies are implementing the Docker technology. So now I am coming in directly into the benefits of Docker. So Docker is using container wise monitoring implementation and layer wise monitoring implementation using Linux. So here I want to explain as well as layman terms and in terms of real time. So I mean to tell a dashboard. A dashboard is having a lot of monitoring services. So here I want to tell one example. So suppose if you go to mobile services. So suppose you go to like Airtel. Airtel is providing lot of services like unlimited data, unlimited calls, and unlimited minutes, unlimited local calls. So just I want to make you understand. I took that layman Airtel example. So coming into the real time scenarios, Docker is nothing but it contains all container information. It is having, it is a container having all information of application, and it is subcontents, and also contains the application performances in one monitoring tool. So it is going to display the, it is going, Docker is going to display the performance of end user requirements and also performance of the application, giving you the, reduces the complexity of the IT and corporate organizations. So now I am coming to the conclusion of the session Docker. So before going to wind up, Docker is a container and logically framed monitoring tool to give the end users a well-defined software. For that purpose, Docker is used. So I am winding up the session here. If you have any doubts, please let me know. So I will catch up later with another emerging technology in the YouTube. Bye for now. This is Vahi Vijay Simha, Senior Software Engineer. Thank you very much.